everybody, Brittany here over at Chrysler. Just here to show you this 2025 Jeep Compass that we have here on the lot. Just going to take a quick walk around the Compass today just to show you some of the features and options that it has to offer. Now this Compass is in your sport trim level. And as we come around towards the back here, you can see you do have your backup camera equipped back there. It does offer 4x4 capabilities. Checking out some of the cargo space in the back, you can see a decent amount of room back there to store your gear bags out of the way while on the go. You also do have your spare tire just tucked in beneath there. That second row also does fold down when not needed to give you a little bit of added space. So checking out the back seat here, you can see decent amount of legroom back there for your passengers to sit quite comfortably. Seats themselves are a cloth seat, so do offer plenty of comfort for you and your passengers. Checking out some of the features up front, so you do have your touchscreen display area here. So very user-friendly interface with the Uconnect system equipped in here. Access to all of your audio media controls built in there. Climate control options also accessible in through your touchscreen. Bluetooth capabilities and access to all of your apps and settings. Just below your screen, again, access to all of your basic audio media controls, climate control options as well. USB port hookups just down in there. A little bit of storage space in throughout that center console area. Your push button start just tucked in behind there. Steering wheel mounted controls, cruise control options in on that right hand side. Bluetooth capabilities in on the left hand side. Access to your audio media controls built in behind the steering wheel. Of course, all of your power windows, locks, side mirrors. But that's just a quick look at this 2025 Jeep Compass. If you have additional questions, please feel free to give the team a call at 780-594-2277 or follow the links below.